Hi friends, welcome to Genius Math Classes, class PUC second year and subject mathematics. So, chapter is relations and functions. In the previous class, we have discussed about relations. Okay, and today we are going to discuss about functions, types of functions. So, these types of functions are very important. Okay, so before we explain about types of function, just let me recall the previous class function. So what do you mean by function? The function is just a mapping from this domain to codomain. Okay, so this is domain and this is codomain. So just function is mapping. It is mapping from this domain to codomain or from this set to this set with one condition that each element in this domain must have a unique image. This A, B, C, here this element must have unique image. It should map to unique image. Okay, so it should map to unique image in the codomain. So in this condition, this is called as function. Okay, so regarding this, and we are going to discuss. Okay, and here we can also observe many functions in our day-to-day life. Okay, in our day-to-day life, we applied many functions. Here, this function includes. Okay, if you write y equal to f of x. Okay, if you write y equal to f of x, in this regard, y is dependent on x. Here, y is dependent. Y is dependent on x. Okay, so based on the x value, we will get the value of y. For example, if you consider y equal to x square. Okay, this is some function. If you write and x equal to 2, then y equal to 2 square, that is 4. So based on the value of x, you will get the value of y. Therefore, y is dependent on x. Therefore, this is dependent variable. Y is dependent and x is independent. Okay, so y is dependent, x is independent. Therefore, we can also define function includes, this function includes both dependent and independent variable. Dependent and independent variables. This function includes both dependent and independent variables. Okay, and also we can give the functions like this. Okay, in our real world problems also we can find many functions. For example, wind chills. So this wind chills depends upon the speed of the wind. So here, as the speed of the winds, okay, the wind chills are dependent on the speed of the wind. As the speed increases of the wind chills will run fastly, and if it slow down, it will move slowly. Okay, and some other example are our efforts. Our efforts in the our result in the examination. Our result in the examination is based on our efforts. Okay, if you effort good, our result is good. If you effort better, our result is better. And if you effort hardly, our result is much better than anything. You will get excellent marks. Okay, so if you don't effort, our result will fail. So therefore, it is dependent. This is also function. Okay, our result is dependent on our efforts. Okay, some other and amount of amount earned, amount, okay, amount earned by the amount earned by the interest, okay, investment, amount earned by investment depend upon the interest, depend upon the interest. So whatever the amount which is earned on the investment, it depends upon our interest. So as the interest increases on the investment, it obviously amount will be more, and if the interest is less, then our amount is less. Okay, so these are some real world problems. Okay, and also one more thing is, the function is just like a machine. Okay, if it's just like a machine, it is just like a machine where one side you put input and one side you will get a output. Okay, for one input you will get a one output. So this is a machine. Okay, this is just like a machine. If you input the data, you will get output data. So for example, if you want to first just consider light. Okay, our light, what we have used the light in our home. Okay, so just it has a button, on off button, on off button. Okay, if you give the input on output, if you give the input on, just light will glow. Okay, when the light glowing, if you give the input off, then the light will off. So this is just like a function. So here this light glowing and off is dependent on and off button. Okay, this is just an introduction, and now we will go with the types of functions. Okay, just consider some diagrams here. Just consider some diagrams here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is A, B, C, D, E, F. This is function is F1, and this one is X1, X2. 1, this is the first figure. Okay, observe these three: figure 1, figure 2, and this is figure 3. Okay, observe all these figures. Okay, F1, F2, F3, F4. Here in this function F1, is this function? Because every element 1, 2, 3, 4 all are mapped. All are mapped to unique image. 1, 2 to the A, 3 to D, 4 to C. Okay, it all mapped to unique image. This is function. Okay, one thing here. The figure F2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is all mapped. Okay, this is also mapped to unique images. This is also function. And here F3, 1 map to A, 2 map to the A, 3B, 4C. This is also a function. Okay, this is also mapped. And here this is also mapped to unique images. So by observing these, we have to find out the types of the function, and we have to differentiate the function, differentiate the types of function here. Okay, by observing these, okay, here 1 is mapping to A, 2 is mapping to B, and 3 is mapping to C, and 4 is mapping to C, and 3 is mapping to D. But observe here in the codomain, here left the images E and F, they don't have images here. They don't have pre-images. Okay, even the elements exist, they don't have pre-images. Okay, one kind. Here same. Here EF, they don't have pre-images. Okay, here they all mapped. Here they all map. Just using this concept, I am going to define the function 1 1 onto and bijection function. 1 1 is the function should map to one image only. Here in the elements, it should map to one image so that they are not equal. Just observe here. 1 is mapped to a unique image. F of 1 is a. F1 of 1 is a here. F2 of F1 of 2 is B. Here F1 of 3 is D and F1 of 4 is C. So observe here, the functions are different. You are getting a images A, B, C, D, C. They are all different. They are all different. That is why this is 1 1 function. This is 1 1 function. In this regard, images must be different for every elements what we are applied to function. For every function, we will apply ಮಾಡತ್ತವಲ್ಲ function elements, it should have ಇದು different image form. Then only you can produce 1 1. Observe here also. F2 of 1 is A and F2 of 2 is A. F2 of 3 is C and F2 of 4 is D. Observing here, F2 of 1 is A, F2 of 2 is A. Therefore, it cannot form a 1 1 function. Similarly, F3, it is also same here, so it cannot form a 1 1 function. Here, each have a different image. This is 1 1 function. Okay, 1 1 function is clear. Here, each elements here, it must form a different images. It must form a different images so that they are not equal. Okay. Now onto function. Here onto function means all the elements here, all the elements in the codomain must have a pre-images. All the elements here must have a free images. So observe here, this two doesn't have a pre-image, therefore it is not onto. What I said onto is each element in this codomain must have a pre-image so that when function defined, so here for A you have an image pre-image 1, for B you have 2, for C you have 3 and for D you have 4, but for E they are empty, they don't have pre-image, therefore it is not onto function. Observe here, it is also there also they don't have images, it is not onto. Observe here, for A, B, C it has a pre-image, for A 1, for A 2, for B 3, for B C 4, it has a pre-image, therefore it is onto function. Here also for A1, for B1, for C2, for A3, for D4, it has. Okay, it is both 1 1 and onto function. It is onto function. Observing all these, this is the only function which is 1 1 and onto. By observing all this, which satisfy the condition 1 1 and onto, this function is called bijection. So bijection is 1 1 and onto should happen. Okay, this is about the types of function. Okay, so what I have discussed with a pictorial representation, just I am going to define this function 1 1 and onto function as well as bijective function. So 1 1 function, so we have observed in the pictorial representation that it is a definition. A function f from x to y. This is a mapping from x to y is defined to be 1 1. If it is defined to be 1 1, or you can also call it as injective function. You can also call it as injective function if the images of distinct element of x. Okay, just here this word. The images of distinct elements. It means the images of different elements of x. The different elements of x must have under f. Okay, under f this function under f are distinct. That means the images of this distinct elements of x. So the images are present here. Okay, for distinct elements present in x, it should have a different images. It means distinct elements must have different images under f. It is called one-on function. In the symbolical, for every x1, x2 belongs to x, for every x1, x2 belongs to x, that means f of x1 equal to f of x2 when x1 equal to x2. That means this function satisfies this when x1 equal to x2. When x1, that means x1 ಮತ್ತು x2 equal ಆದ ಮಾತ್ರ function equal ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. Otherwise this is not equal. You can also write it as for every x1 not equal to x2, you will get the f of x1 not equal to x2. In that case only we can call this as one-on function. Otherwise we can call this many to 1. So that means the images are mapped. Okay, so AB here only mapped to 1. This mapped to this one. This is many to 1. That means more than one element mapped to the same image is called many to 1. Onto function. Onto. Okay. So as we have observed in a factorial, a function f from x to y is said to be onto. Onto, or you can call surjection. If every element of y, that means every element of y must have a pre-image in x. It must have a pre-image in x under f. Okay. For every image in y, it must have a pre-image in x under f. That is, for every y belongs to y, there exists x belongs to x. That is, every y in y, there exists x in x such that f of x equal to y. So this is onto function. Bijective function is, it is both 1 1 and onto. Then it is called bijective function. Okay. So after we know about the types of function 1 1, onto, and bijective function, let me solve some simple example. Okay. So this is very simple example. We can easily identify. Let A be the set of 50 students of class 12. Okay. So this is A. This is set. It should it includes 50 students. It includes 50 students of class 12. Okay. In a school, it is in a school. Okay. Sorry, in a college. Whatever. Let f from a to n. Let f from a to n be the function defined by f of x equal to roll number of the student. Whatever this, it has 50 students. Okay. Let f from what we are defining, this a, we are defining from a to n. N is the set of natural numbers. Be a function. So this is defined by f of x equal to roll number of the student. So roll number of the student. Show that this function is 1 1 but not onto. Let me observe the solution. What I have given a. It is mapped to the natural number n. Okay, natural numbers are 1 2 3 4 5 6 so on. Okay, this is set is 50 students. 1 2 3 4 so on up to 50. Okay, here also 50 and so on. Observe this. This is function defined. What is defined? F of x equal to roll number of the student, so that each student have one roll number. Yes, each student have one roll number. The first one has 1, second one has 2 roll number, third student has 3 roll number, fourth student has 4 roll number, so on like this. 15th student has 50th roll number. Okay, so observe this. The first student has 1 roll number. Okay, f of 1 is 1. The first student got first roll number. F of 2 is 2. The second student got third roll number. So on like this, the 15th student got 50 roll number. Okay. So for each different elements, you are getting a different images. Therefore, this function is 1 1. So this is 1 1 function. What they said? So that function is 1 1, but not 1. Observe here. In this codomain natural number, after this 50, you will get a 51. Is there any student who got the roll number 51? Then 52. Is there any student who got the roll number 52? No. There doesn't exist pre-images for 51, 52 and so on. Therefore, this function is f is not onto. So this is simple example that this function is 1 1 but not onto. This is simple example. That's it. So second example, show that a function f which is defined from n to n. F is defined from n to n. Observe here, this is very important. Domain and codomain. This mapping is very important. Okay. Observing this, we can show that this function f from n to n given by f of x equal to 2x. The function is defined as f of x equal to 2x is 1 1 but not onto. Okay. We have to show this function is 1 1 but not onto. Just observe here. This is n and this is also n. So we are defining function f from n to n. N is natural number 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, so on. Okay. What is the function f for x equal to 2x? Okay. F of 1, there is 2. 1 is mapped to 2. Here f of 2 is 4. 2 goes to 4. F of 3 is 6. So it goes like that. F of 4 equal to 8. Okay. Observe this. 1 goes to 2, 2 goes to 4, 3 goes to 6 and 4 goes to 8. Here for every element here, every element in this n, it has the image. Okay. It has the image. Therefore it is 1 1. F is 1. Okay. Every element here it has pre-image. For 1, 2, for 2 it is 4, for 3 it is 6, for 4 it is 8. It has free image in set of natural numbers. Okay. In the symbolically we can also write that f of 2x1 f of x1 equal to f of x2. That means 2x1 equal to 2x2. To take it cancel, x1 equal to x2 in symbolically. If you consider f of x1 equal to x2, 2x1 equal to 2x2 and x1 equal to x2. That means when x1 equal to x2, then only we get f of x1 equal to f of x2. Therefore it is 1 1. Okay. Now consider. Now come to the onto function. This function is 1 1. Okay. Now come to the onto function. Why it is not onto function? Because just consider 1, the element 1. For each 1 belongs to y. 1 belongs to the next number n here. Okay. 1 belongs to next number n. There doesn't exist x. There doesn't exist x in n. This function n. Okay. Such that f of x is equal to y. Okay. Why it is not on 2? If you observe here, 1, it doesn't have a pre-image in this domain. This doesn't have a pre-images in the domain. In the codomain we have 1, there doesn't exist pre-image, because no, it has not mapped in the natural number, because it is mapped from n to n. It is mapped from n to n. Natural number doesn't have a decimal numbers or fraction, therefore it should have a natural number, whole numbers only, and therefore for 1 you will not get any natural number which is in a domain. Therefore this f is not onto. Why? If you consider 1 here, if you consider 1, if 1 belongs to y, there doesn't exist any other x in n. There doesn't exist x belongs to natural number x, capital X, such that f of x equal to y. F of x equal to y. Andre ಏನು 1 ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ there doesn't x ಇದರ pre-image ಇಲ್ಲಿ exist ಇಲ್ಲ. Therefore f of x equal to y ಇದು ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. This is not possible. Therefore this f is not outer function. This is simple example we have solved. And just observe here. Okay. Show that this function f, where f from n to n, we are defining this function natural number to natural number. Therefore, and this one defined as f of x equal to x is 1 1. Okay, but not on 2. So defining is dependent. Defining is dependent for 1 1 and onto function. So if I just change this from n1 n to n, if I change this from r to r, okay, so r is a set of real numbers. If I define this function from r to r, it is both 1 1 and on 2. It is both 1 1 and on 2. Why? Because okay, just I am changing domain and codomain as real number. In the previous example, I have defined from natural number to natural number. Then it is one and only, but not on 2. But now, when I am defining from r to r, f from r to r, it is 1 1 and on 2. Why? Because this is same from r to r. Okay, I am defining this from r to r. It should have same elements for 1 2 3 4. Real numbers are any number. It may be fraction numbers, it may be rational numbers, it may be irrational numbers. Whatever the numbers are real numbers. Okay, so every element here you will get the result, you will get the images. That is f1 is f is 1 1. Okay, for every x1 equal to x2, you will get the function equal. Therefore it is 1 1 function, because every element here it should have a pre-images. Similarly, reverse, for every element here you will get the pre-image, because for 1 belongs to y, there do exist x. What number? There do exist a x belongs to x, such that f of x equal to y. For 1 you will get the image as, so just reverse it. What is it? F of x equal to 2x, right? So reverse is this one, 1 by 2. Or if you get the result here, if it is 1, that means f of 1 by 2. F of 1 by 2 is equal to 1. F of 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Why? Because 2 into 1 by 2 is 1. Okay, that means if you get the result 1, you will get the pre-image as 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is existing. 1 by 2 that belongs to r. 1 by 2 is in r. Therefore f of x equal to y. That means f of 1 by 2 equal to 1. Okay, so 1 by 2 exists. For 1 belongs to y, 1 by 2 is existing this x. such that f of 1 by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore, f is onto function. So this is the difference when defining from domain to codomain. So this is a function, reality of function, and this is the beauty of the function. The function behavior is dependent on mapping. The function is dependent on mapping. So this is all about the examples of function types. In the next class, I will discuss with the composition of function and inverse of function. Thank you.